Despite facing multiple cases, Kingdom of Jesus Christ Pastor Apollo Quiboloy is still enjoying his double standards, says Senator Risa Hontiveros. The senator emphasized the grace period given to Quiboloy to surrender all his firearms. Henry Nicolas has the details.
On Wednesday, Senator Risa Hontiveros of the Senate Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations, and Gender Equality said that Pastor Apollo Quiboloy is still enjoying his double standards despite facing charges for human trafficking and other cases filed against him. Despite of the warrant of arrest, Hontiveros sought the attention of Philippine National Police regarding the whereabouts of Quiboloy. Following the PNP's cancellation of Quiboloy's firearm licenses, Hontiveros asked in a press conference why it took so long for him to surrender his firearms. The senator also questioned the record of 19 firearms owned by the pastor compared to his alleged private army. Although 5 of Quiboloy's weapons have been surrendered to the Davao Police, Hontiveros said this is not enough.
Kay Chief PNP Marbil, pagkatapos ng napakatamang desisyon nila, kanselahin ang firearms licenses ni Quiboloy, kaya lang binigyan ng kalahating taong palugit para i-surrender yung mga firearms. Wag naman po, siguro naman kayang-kaya sa mas madaling panahon kunin yung mga firearms na iyan. Binawi na yung registration ng mga iyon. Pero sa 19 lamang na firearms, dun lamang sa mga social media posts ng kanyang private army, parang mas marami sa 19 ang firearms. So siguruhin please ng PNP, walang matirang firearms sa kamay nung private army ni Quiboloy.
The senator said the double standard enjoyed by the pastor regarding the grace period given to him by the authorities continues.
Di ko nga alam kung siya ba ay appointed son of God, so God the Son, o siya ba ay God the Holy Spirit na invisible, hindi makita.
The lawmaker said that when an ordinary person applies for a permit to carry knowing the conditions that if denied or not renewed, it will be surrendered immediately and will not be extended for 6 months. This is Henry Nicolas for EuroTV News.